didn't give you the puck.
Hey, quick turn, bud. Now stick handle back and forth. Remember that puck out in front of you. Back and forth. There you go. That's it.
Spot, look up where you're going to shoot it.
Oh, 5-hole.
What?
5-hole.
Okay, Ryan,
Between
you're
the
up.
legs.
5-hole?
5-hole. That's what it's called when you put it in.
Fast, Ryan. Move quickly.
Good stick handling, bud.
Stick handling. Good stick handling.
Puck
Good
out in
stick
front of
handling.
you,
Good
stick
job.
handle back and forth, right? That's it, Ryan. Oh, nice one. Good stick handling, too.
Owen's up. Owen's turn.
Okay, bud, quick turn. Stick handle the puck out in front of you, okay? There you go. Out front, good back and forth. Look where you want to shoot. Oh, 5-hole again. That goalie's weak between the legs. That goalie is weak.
Okay, Ryan, you're up.
between the
Here
legs.
comes the puck. Quickly this time.
Oh, give it to Ryan, buddy. Pass it to Ryan. It's Ryan's turn, bud. Back pass.
Oh, a
Good
back pass. Okay, Ryan, you're in it alone. Oh,
Nice.
goal.
You know what? I saw Ryan take a look there. And he was looking where he was going.
Look up. Bend those knees on the wobbly ice, guys. Bend your knees a little bit more.
There you go. Hold out in front of your stick handle, buddy. Back and forth. Another one through the legs. The 5-hole. Penny's down.
Okay, Ryan, get the puck from Steve. Turn quickly. Go back and get it. Quick, Ryan, quick.
Okay, turn quick.
Fast. Up the ice now. Here you go. Take it
Puck out
forward.
in front of you.
Go,
There you
go, 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 go.
Back and forth.
Oh, you faked me out. So you guys want to have a game now? Us against you. Is Kathy going to be the goalie?
She's filming. So we'll play with the pucks a little while, and when Kathy comes, we'll use the ball. Looks like here, Ryan, Colin, Jamie, and Sydney are. No way! You guys can't get it off me! Are you kidding me? They got it! Oh, Taylor's through. No, Ryan's got it. Quick shot!
Skating.
Good girl.
Want, can I get you your stick so you can get you taking a shot on video? Oh, come on. I want a big shot. See, you do another one out? Oh, yeah.
There's Rye Guy. There's Sydney. Getting her skates on. Look at Taylor's beautiful rink. And there's Owen going for a spill.
Want to take one shot for Sydney?
You crazy nut.
Take a picture, stick in the book.
Can I see Jamie skating again a little bit?
Oh, let's just miss it.
That better? Hey, that fixed the thing.
Just don't eat it then, okay?
Is that better now? The thing was loose.
Okay, I need to put my gloves on, Jamie. My hands are cold.
You crazy nut. Jamie, can you walk towards Daddy a little bit for the camera? Oh my goodness, Jamie's skating by herself.
Oops. Hold that.
Can you take a video of me skating by myself?
Well, we all know you can skate by yourself, buddy. Yeah. Can you move a little bit, sweetie?
Can I get an action shot, Jamie, if he's skating? I want an action shot of you, doing a big shot.
Feel better now? The thing is loose.
What's wrong, sweetheart?
Is that better?
Okay? I just want to take one picture of Owen and then I will. Gotta get my gloves on. That was not a very good pass. Okay, want me to do a better pass? Okay, you keep your stick out. Okay, ready? There. Good job.
I can do
Oh, big one.
I can do better than that.
Well, come on, get up.
Come and show us then.
Let's see some shots. Here comes Owen. Whoa! That was a big one, oh. Good job.
I can shoot bigger than that.
I don't know. Those are pretty good shots. Why don't you try some? Come on and try
I'm
some.
all the way on that side. I can shoot the other side.
Well, let's see. Let's see. Show us.
It's hard to do sitting on your bum.
You were doing some great shots. Okay.
Why are you just standing there, buddy? You guys just skate around with the pucks. I'm just going to get some video of Ryan. There we go, guys.
Judy! Where's Sydney? Where's Sydney? She walked up to go in. She said she's cold.
All right. I
Just
need
get her.
another little break.
She walked around front, maybe.
Now we'll have to go around again a couple times. Good job.
It's unbelievable.
Could you hurry up and get out there so I can take some video and then I'm going to put this thing away?
Do you want me to take a video of you guys playing games?
Oh, I wanted to take a video of you playing too.
Yeah, I'm just taking a break. It's hard to carry.
You want to get your stick and play for Dick, huh?
Yeah? She's doing a good job, isn't she?
Get it, buddy. Breakaway.
Yeah? Okay, we ready to go again?
Get it, buddy.
Jamie.
Do a breakaway on me.
Good girl. Look at this, Daddy.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh my goodness, Jamie.
Breakaway. Whoa. Go get it. Get down there. Move it. Fast as you can. Back this way, buddy. Right. Oh! Really, straight off my king. What you doing, buddy?
I'll put your boots on. I'm going to stay out for a little bit. Well, put your boots on. You can walk up. Okay.
Hands are cold? This is great.